obviously I join with my colleagues in condemning the excess of the protests at the weekend, and I agree very much with our learned colleague from County Louth, Senator Darcy, in his views on the Champagne Socialist at the head of that particular march. I raised here last week, Cathaoirleach, the fact that we were celebrating the 25th anniversary of the fall of the Berlin Wall. I'm sure Deputy Murphy and his colleagues in the Socialist Party and that ilk would wish that the Berlin Wall and all it stood for was still standing, because they, in their Trotsky Marxist view of the world, have absolutely nothing in common with genuine working class people on this island. And hopefully everybody will learn lessons from the water bill crisis. Minister Kelly has said that major mistakes have been made. We will have an announcement tomorrow from the government, but I would hope, as part of that announcement, again, if we respect democracy and the democratic process, that the mistakes which the Minister is referring to will be identified, and those people who made such mistakes will be identified as well. We must learn from this disaster, but we all stand shoulder to shoulder with the Taoiseach, and indeed anybody who is being put under unfair pressure by mob rule. We must never give in to mob rule in this country. We haven't given in to the mob rule of the provisional IRA in the 60s, 70s and 80s, and we must not give in to the mob rule now of extreme left-wing socialists who look back to a panacea of the Soviet Union and North Korea. That's their aspiration for our island, and it's not an aspiration that I and the vast majority of people on this land would share.
Finally, Senator Darcy.